The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has captivated humanity for centuries. Its presence in the night sky has been a constant source of fascination and wonder. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the Moon has always held a special place in our hearts and minds. Its soft glow in the night sky has inspired countless myths, legends, and dreams. Poets have written about its beauty, and artists have tried to capture its ethereal light. The Moon has been a muse for creativity, a symbol of romance and a beacon of hope in the darkness. Since the dawn of time, we have gazed up at its cratered surface, wondering about its secrets. Ancient astronomers meticulously charted its phases, and early scientists speculated about its composition. The Moon's mysterious allure has driven humanity to seek answers and explore the unknown. The Moon's gravitational pull controls the tides, shaping life on our planet. Its influence extends beyond the oceans, affecting the behavior of various species and even the rhythms of human life. The Moon's cycles have been linked to agricultural practices, cultural rituals, and timekeeping. Its presence stabilizes Earth's axis, creating a stable climate. Without the Moon, our planet would experience extreme weather variations, making it less hospitable for life. The Moon's steadying effect has allowed Earth to develop and sustain a diverse range of ecosystems. The Moon has always been there, a silent companion in our journey through space. It follows us faithfully, its phases marking the passage of time. The Moon's presence is a reminder of the vastness of the universe and our small place within it. It is a source of wonder and inspiration, a beacon of hope in the vastness of the cosmos. The Moon's light has guided travelers, inspired dreamers, and provided solace to those who gaze upon it. Its beauty and mystery continue to captivate us. For centuries, we could only observe the Moon from afar. Early astronomers used rudimentary tools to study its surface, and their observations laid the groundwork for future exploration. The Moon remained an enigmatic presence, just out of reach. But everything changed in the 20th century. Advances in technology and a spirit of exploration led humanity to set its sights on the Moon. The space race ignited a new era of discovery, and the dream of reaching the Moon became a reality. We dared to dream of reaching out and touching its surface. The Apollo missions marked a monumental achievement in human history, as astronauts set foot on the Moon and brought back samples for study. The Moon, once a distant wonder, became a place we could explore and understand. The space race between the United States and the Soviet Union ignited a global fascination with space exploration. This intense rivalry pushed both nations to achieve unprecedented milestones in space technology and exploration. The world watched as these two superpowers competed to demonstrate their technological and ideological superiority. The stakes were high and the ambitions even higher, as each nation sought to outdo the other in a series of groundbreaking achievements. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy challenged America to land a man on the Moon before the end of the decade. His bold vision was not just about reaching the Moon, but about showcasing American ingenuity and determination. Kennedy's speech galvanized the nation, inspiring a generation of scientists, engineers, and ordinary citizens to dream big and aim for the stars. It was a call to action that resonated deeply with the American public and set the stage for one of the most ambitious projects in human history. Project Apollo, NASA's ambitious lunar exploration program, rose to meet this challenge. The program was a monumental effort that required unprecedented levels of coordination, innovation, and dedication. Thousands of people from various fields came together to solve complex problems and overcome numerous obstacles. The goal was clear, but the path was fraught with challenges that tested the limits of human ingenuity and perseverance. It was a time of incredible innovation and determination. The 1960s saw rapid advancements in technology, driven by the urgent need to achieve Kennedy's vision. Engineers and scientists worked around the clock, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Laboratories buzzed with activity as new materials, propulsion systems, and life support technologies were developed and tested. The spirit of innovation was palpable, and the sense of purpose was unshakable. Engineers and scientists worked tirelessly to develop the technology needed to send humans to the Moon and back. They faced numerous technical challenges, from designing a spacecraft that could withstand the harsh conditions of space to developing a reliable navigation system for the journey. Every detail had to be meticulously planned and executed and there was no room for error. The dedication and hard work of these individuals were instrumental in turning the dream of lunar exploration into a reality. In 1969, the world watched in awe as Apollo 11 achieved the impossible. The launch of Apollo 11 was a momentous event witnessed by millions of people around the globe. The mission represented the culmination of years of hard work, innovation, and determination. As the Saturn V rocket lifted off, carrying astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, the hopes and dreams of an entire nation soared with it. The journey to the moon was fraught with risks, but the reward was a historic achievement that would be remembered for generations. Neil Armstrong's first steps on the lunar surface marked a pivotal moment in human history. As he descended the ladder of the lunar module and set foot on the moon, his words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world. This moment symbolized the triumph of human spirit and ingenuity. It was a testament to what humanity could achieve when united by a common goal. The images of Armstrong and Aldrin exploring the lunar surface became iconic, capturing the imagination of people everywhere. 5 more Apollo missions followed, each adding to our understanding of the moon. These missions conducted a variety of scientific experiments, collected lunar samples, and tested new technologies. The data and insights gained from these missions have been invaluable, contributing to our knowledge of the moon's composition, geology, and history. The legacy of Project Apollo continues to inspire future generations of explorers and scientists, reminding us of the boundless possibilities of space exploration. After the Apollo program ended, our focus shifted to other areas of space exploration. The Space Shuttle and the International Space Station became our priorities, but the moon never faded from our thoughts. Now a new era of lunar exploration is underway. NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable presence on the moon. This means building a base camp on the surface and a space station in lunar orbit. Artemis is not just about returning to the moon. It's about learning to live and work there. The knowledge and experience gained from Artemis will pave the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. Alongside government agencies like NASA, private companies are playing an increasingly important role in space exploration. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing innovative and cost-effective technologies for reaching the moon. These companies are driven by a spirit of innovation and a desire to make space more accessible. They are developing reusable rockets and spacecraft, which will significantly reduce the cost of space travel. The involvement of private companies injects new energy and resources into the field of lunar exploration, fostering a collaborative environment between governments and the private sector. Section 5, Living on the Moon, a Future Outpost. Scientists and engineers are developing technologies to allow humans to live and work on the moon for extended periods. This includes habitats that can protect astronauts from the harsh lunar environment. The moon's resources, such as water ice found in permanently shadowed craters, could be utilized to support a lunar outpost. This water can be extracted and processed into breathable oxygen and rocket fuel. Establishing a permanent human presence on the moon will allow us to conduct more in-depth scientific research and potentially even mine resources that could be used on Earth or in space. Section 6, International Cooperation, a Global Effort. Returning to the moon and establishing a sustainable presence will require a global effort. International collaboration is crucial to sharing the costs, risks, and benefits of space exploration. The International Space Station stands as a testament to the power of international cooperation in space. Many countries are now working together on the Artemis program, pooling their resources and expertise. By working together, we can accomplish more than we ever could alone. International cooperation fosters peace and understanding between nations, uniting us under the common goal of exploring the cosmos. Section 7. Challenges and opportunities, overcoming obstacles. Exploring the moon presents numerous challenges. The lunar environment is harsh and unforgiving. Temperatures fluctuate wildly between extreme heat and cold. The lack of atmosphere exposes astronauts to harmful radiation. Landing on the moon and setting up a permanent base will require overcoming significant technological and logistical hurdles. However, these challenges also present incredible opportunities for innovation. By pushing the boundaries of technology and human ingenuity, we can develop new materials, energy sources, and life support systems that will benefit not only space exploration, but also life on Earth. Section 8. The Moon as a stepping stone to Mars and beyond. The Moon serves as a stepping stone for even more ambitious missions to Mars and beyond. The technologies and knowledge gained from lunar exploration will pave the way for human exploration of the Red Planet. Establishing a lunar base will allow us to test and refine technologies needed for long-duration space travel, such as life support systems, radiation shielding, and advanced propulsion systems. The Moon can also serve as a launch pad for missions further into our solar system, taking advantage of its lower gravity and lack of atmosphere. Section 9. Conclusion. A universe of possibilities. From the early days of gazing up at the Moon in wonder, humanity has always been captivated by the mysteries of the cosmos. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has been a source of inspiration and curiosity for countless generations. From the ambitious plans for lunar outposts where humans might one day live and work, to the scientific endeavors aimed at understanding the Moon's composition and history, our fascination with this rocky satellite has only grown stronger over time. Our fascination with our celestial neighbor has only grown stronger. The Moon has always been a symbol of what lies beyond our reach, yet it also represents the potential of what we can achieve through determination and innovation. The Moon continues to inspire us to reach for the stars. Each mission to the Moon, each new discovery, fuels our desire to explore further, to push the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve, and unravel the mysteries of the universe. The Moon is not just a destination, it is a stepping stone to the greater cosmos. By studying the Moon, we learn more about the history of our own planet and the solar system. As we venture back to the Moon and beyond, we carry with us the dreams and aspirations of generations past. The legacy of the Apollo mission serves as a reminder of what we can accomplish when we dare to dream big. We carry with us the dreams and aspirations of generations past. The journey to the Moon is not just about exploration, it is about fulfilling the hopes and ambitions of those who came before us and paving the way for future explorers. The journey ahead is filled with challenges. From the technical difficulties of space travel to the physical and psychological demands on astronauts, the path to the Moon is fraught with obstacles, but it is also filled with limitless possibilities. Each challenge we overcome brings us one step closer to a future where space travel is a part of everyday life, where the Moon is just the beginning of our journey into the cosmos. By embracing the spirit of exploration and working together, we can achieve great things. International collaboration and the sharing of knowledge and resources are key to unlocking the secrets of the Moon and beyond. We can unlock the secrets of the Moon. Each rock sample, each piece of data brings us closer to understanding the Moon's history and its potential for future exploration and habitation, and pave the way for a future where humanity becomes a truly spacefaring civilization. The Moon is just the beginning. Our journey to the stars is only limited by our imagination and our willingness to explore the unknown.